I didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family. Or jumps in the family, depending on which way.
What do you want?
Want?
Yeah, get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, feel better?
Whoa. Hang on a minute. You mind if I hop off and hop back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see? We can connect the dots if we're talking ugly. They don't come any more aesthetically challenged than me. You know what your trouble is? You've been training yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I've got a human in my throat. Well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. You know what I say to myself? I'm just a handsome prince in a frog's clothing, and someday someone's going to come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I say to myself, nah, forget it. Who wants to snub a frog? You know what our trouble is? Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste, but mark my word. One day, ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport each season's look will fall flat on their ass. Your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. What's and all? Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you. Though I may look a bit drastic, trust me, I'm a classic in my pond. If this old frog can go a-wooing, it's time you had a wake-up call. 'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Hello, kids.
Somewhere out there, we don't know it. Someone will care. We're gonna love ya, warts and all. Somewhere out there, we can say there's someone.
it will be us who are the flavor of the month. Oops, what am I saying?
Thanks. And if you ever find yourself by the dockyard, do call in. I'd love to have you meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. Stay warm, stay cheerful. See you, Feathers. Ribbit, ribbit.
Woo!